Samsung is gearing up to launch its Galaxy S24 series next month, and OnePlus is preparing to enter the high-end smartphone market to compete with Samsung's flagship offerings. OnePlus has officially announced the OnePlus 12 in China, with global availability set for early 2024, and there are reports suggesting a potential launch date of January 23. The OnePlus 12, unveiled in China, boasts several impressive features that set it apart from the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Notably, it offers a brighter display and a larger battery. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature a 6.8-inch QHD+ OLED screen with 2,500 nits peak brightness and a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-day fast charging. In contrast, the OnePlus 12 sports a 6.8-inch OLED screen with 4,500 nits peak brightness and a 5,400 mAh battery with 100-day fast charging. The OnePlus 12 also boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and an impressive 1,600 nits peak brightness in high brightness mode, ensuring a top-notch display experience even when fingers are wet. Under the hood, the OnePlus 12 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which aligns with rumors about the chip to be used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. OnePlus offers configurations starting from 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, going up to a remarkable 24GB RAM and 1TB storage, setting a new standard for smartphone performance. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature 8GB RAM and 256GB storage in its base variant and 12GB RAM with 1TB storage in its higher-end model. This suggests that the OnePlus 12 may hold a slight edge in terms of performance, though real-world testing will be the ultimate determinant. The OnePlus 12's camera system includes a 50MP 1.4 4-inch primary camera with OIS, a 48MP ultra-wide camera with autofocus, a 64MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and OIS, and a 32MP selfie camera. It supports video capture up to 8K at 24 fps or 4K at 60 fps. However, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a superior camera setup, featuring a 200MP primary camera with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide camera with autofocus, a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and OIS, and a 50MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. The Galaxy S24 Ultra can record 8K at 30 fps videos and up to 4K at 60 fps, potentially outperforming the OnePlus 12 in the camera department. OnePlus has also improved the dust and water resistance rating of its latest flagship, though it remains at IP65, which falls short of the potential IP68 rating of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The OnePlus 12 offers additional features like Hasselblad color calibration for the camera, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, USB 3.2 Type-C port, an under-display optical fingerprint reader, and 50W wireless charging. Perhaps one of the most significant differences lies in pricing. The OnePlus 12 starts at CNY 4,299, approximately $600, for the 256GB version and goes up to CNY 5,799, about $810, for the version with 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. This pricing is notably lower than the rumored starting price of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is expected to begin at $1,200 for the 256GB variant and $1,600 for the 1TB model. In essence, the OnePlus 12 offers a compelling alternative that delivers remarkable performance and features at a more accessible price point compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra.